Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell of 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frames, still killing the game.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Good morning. Alex here from Hoppos with another video for you guys. So let me tell you what, this whole week has just been hectic. The week before that was hectic. This week coming up is going to be hectic. We are expecting this crazy rush. And well, no, we already had this crazy rush, but we had a whole bunch of stuff that unfortunately I couldn't really show you guys all. Ooh, got a little flare there. Couldn't really show you guys all because of what was going on here. I really want to. We did film a little bit and take some pictures, but unfortunately we can't post that kind of stuff until later on down the road. So, but let me just tell you, it was big stuff. It was really game-changing for us. We got to experience some stuff that we never got to experience, so it was really cool. The only bad part is we can't show it to you guys, so you guys are gonna have to wait and trust us on this one. But until then, you guys just saw, we just dropped a video the other day of Cali Boy Central all finished up. Now we are on to the next big major project. No, we are not doing installs. We are not open to public for installs. But yes, one of these builds, this next build is an install, but it is also for SEMA. So SEMA is a big thing. If you guys don't know about SEMA, make sure you guys Google it. If you guys are in the car world, I'm pretty sure you guys know what SEMA is. To me personally, it's always been a lifelong dream to have a vehicle at SEMA, just to showcase and display and just to be out there with all other builders and stuff like that. I still said, you know, I always want to be out there. I always want to have a vehicle there. But it is kind of changed for us, I guess. Ooh, we are spitting like crazy. But it has changed for us. Now with the business and everything, my goals, what I wanted, and you know, obviously we're changing and chasing bigger stuff, which is in the works right now, which is exciting. But we also teamed up with somebody who is gonna have 2 vehicles there, and we have our part to do on these vehicles to make sure that they make it to SEMA. And well, one of them is here. Hopefully I don't absolutely murder this name here, but I believe it's Tjin Garage, Tjin Edition, Tjin Episode. I could be wrong. He's coming tomorrow, so I'll get you the exact name. Again, I don't mean to murder and mess that name up, but here, we'll show you guys what we got. Oh my lordy. Oh. Now, a lot of you low-roader guys might be looking at this and be like, what am I looking at? We are looking at pretty much 90% of guys' fantasies when between my age and growing up, they wanted this. This is what you had to have. This is what we wanted, but we couldn't afford it because we were too young. This is it right here. This is like literally the holy grail of pretty much import Japanese cars. This is it. Skyline R34. Oh my gosh. Now what you guys are looking at, we are the first stage of this vehicle here. We are doing that full air ride on this, and we're gonna get a little custom, a little creative. This will be displayed in one of the booths at SEMA. So this is starting point. We are the first stage. So you guys have seen a bone stock car. Oh, did I forget to show you guys? It is right-hand drive. Driving a right-hand drive is a lot different than I thought it was. All right, so for you lowrider guys, you're like, what the hell is going on here, right? Now this video isn't based on just, you know, lowriding in general. My channel is not based on just lowriding in general. It's all about custom, hard work, putting the hours and time into it. And well, this is crazy. I never got to drive one of this. This has always been on my bucket list. Always wanted to drive one of these, and I got to drive it like 20 feet from the parking lot into the shop. Bucket list checked off. I'm good. I'm happy. I'm all right. We're good. Let's get to work now, right? That's my whole thing. So tomorrow we have a meeting with him. He's coming in. We're gonna lay out the whole game plan on this vehicle and the car. For right now, I gotta get some jacks and jack stands under this thing. We gotta get this thing torn apart real quick. We're gonna be teaming up with Airlift on this one as well. So we're gonna get some Airlift products in here, which normally we don't really use too much Airlift around here. But I am interested. I guess supposedly they got some new stuff that's releasing. Hopefully I get to show it on camera. I don't know if it's like a secretive thing or not. But we're gonna get that going, guys. Let's get this car torn apart. Let's get to work. Woo, here we go. So we ran into our first little snag. The car has wheel locks on it. And I don't see the wheel lock key or socket. So I'm gonna keep looking around one more time and see what happens. But if not, I'm gonna have to bust out the whole universal set that we got here, see if we can make it work. So as you kind of see by that time lapse right there, we got the R34 stripped apart. I'm all up in your guys' face right now. So we got it stripped apart. We got all 4 struts out. This is a little different than how like I would normally build stuff, because for me, I would just build, just go. With a build like this, where you're teamed up with other people, you have to kind of wait, and there's downtime and there's lag, because you got to wait on, you know. Right now, I could literally have all 4 struts in and start the air tank and compressor assembly. But for something like this, we gotta wait. We gotta talk to everybody. We gotta figure out what they want, what they need, where they want the placement at, color choice, you know, hard line choice, plastic line. We gotta figure everything out. And honestly, this car just got dropped off on the tow truck, and we haven't even spoke about anything yet. So we don't even know. But we do know we gotta tear it apart. I believe Neil's coming tomorrow to figure out what we're doing as far as strut wise. Get measurements, I guess. I'm not too sure. So right now I got it stripped. We're just gonna wait. I guess I could in the meantime start running some power cables and possibly do some tank assemblies, but again, I don't know what exactly we're doing here, so I gotta kind of play it safe. I don't want to jump too far ahead, even though time frame I need to get this stuff done and keep going to the next project, because I got tons of other stuff here. But I gotta wait. I gotta kind of take a deep breath, take a pace backwards and go slow down. So which is kind of hard, because I'm used to like, go, next project. If there's no time on this one, move to the next project. If we're waiting on something there, move to the next one. So this one is gonna be on standstill till tomorrow, so we'll see you guys tomorrow.
And in the meantime, let's just get these Z-racks all done, welded up, glued together. Like I said, we gotta move to the next project.